Hello. Hello, horses. Hello. We forgot a brush again. Horse and geese. Eh?
I think that's more of the parents. You.
Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Have a look at this one first.
I already have gave it.
Oh.
That was just trotting.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, we do it for our house.
Might have to chop a couple.
Don't eat me!
Go gentle with them. Oh, they've been lovely and calm today. They must have had the dinner already, so that's good.
Okay,
Hello, you
perfect,
two.
this one.
Hello, you two.
There's 2 carrots
Hello.
left.
Split them up then.
I'm trying to
Do
break
you need help?
Yes.
We've got the owner's permission to do this. Yeah. And this one?
Oh,
This one. The slobbery today, wipe it on the grass.
It's already chewing. Blech.
Oh, our favourite horses. Our favourite thing to do is come and feed them, sing to them. And we've even got a sketchbook to sketch with them. They like it when you do sketching normally.
Let's do some sketching. The last one, you'll have to break them 3 pieces and give them it.
Will I?
Yeah.
Oh, let me get a picture. And you all three smiling. I am videoing at the same time, but I thought that'd make a nice
Like
picture,
my
that one.
puffin.
Look, it's saying, come on, she.
Would you like him a puffin?
You're puffing, yeah, it's a great puffin, that. You forget about all these. Hello.
How'd you like it?
Oh, it's a great one. Show me closer.
And show the horses. I'm taking my
I
book.
know. What's your eye, darling? You get stuck.
What do you think?
You get stuck. This one don't like attention. These do. Normally they let me brush the hair, don't you? Get all them flies out. Brush your hair. You're not in my bag.
I like them like the drawing.
Hello. One's called Ruby. I can't remember the rest. What? They only let me groom them, don't they? What? You licking my shoes? She likes a massage. Yeah. Oh, you're eating that. Is it nice, that? I reckon I don't know if there's much hawthorn blossom left for him. They're being gentle today sometimes.
Them before they disappear.
Oh, sometimes they're scrapping, as we say in Yorkshire. Oh, look at this. I think she's been rolling around in mud.
Yeah.
And that one.
You haven't.
Either that or mating. What, we're up then?
I don't know. I was just joking them, and then he went.
Did it make him jump? She might have caught us in on here. You okay? You okay?
This one is the youngest, so I'm gonna give it.
Yeah, be careful with that one because he doesn't like as much human attention, that one. Oh, careful. Always take our rubbish with us in the countryside. Did you manage to give it him? Her?
If I didn't notice. I think you have noticed.
Oh, I can see a man on a bike with 2 dogs coming down here.
Let's see if I can thingy.
I don't think I'll stop. Oh, is it a woman? It's 2 Dalmatians. Oh.
Excuse me, can I stroke the dog?
Yeah, hello. Two Dalmatians, we know.
Like horses.
Yeah.
Oh,
Best friends.
hello.
Yeah.
Are both of them
He's
just a girl?
No, he's a boy. He's Pongo and he's Frankie.
Pongo and Frankie. Do you want to say hello as well?
Aye.
Oh,
Boys,
hello, beautiful. Oh, we like doggies, don't we? Where are you off then?
Back to Cudder.
Oh, you backed it all the way up here.
Yeah, we're done.
Hello.
18 mile.
18 mile, blimey. Nice day for it though.
Lovely.
Oh, she loves seeing horses. And off they go. I rode with those Dalmatians, Erica.
1 and 2.
1 and 2, yeah, they were very tall. And he said he's done 18 mile with them.
What does that mean?
That means he's gone all the way around Barnsley and back with bike and with them running. He says they love it and it keeps them fit and it keeps them nice and calm.
Barnsley?
Yeah, he says it keeps them calm. Yeah, I know. When you've got dogs, you have to keep them running. Because you keep asking me for dogs, don't you?
But not too long.
No,
You
not
don't
too.
need-
We wouldn't have to do 18 mile a day, no.
We would probably walk it. We'd probably walk it to the park and then around the park and then back, wouldn't we?
Maybe, yeah. Yeah, they're all muddy today, aren't they?
Now let's go and freeze it.
Freezing, it's not freezing, it's blustery though. It's lovely to be out in this fresh air. A lot of blossoms disappearing now though. Look, all that hawthorn blossom nearly gone. No more cups of tea, I'll have to wait for the young shoots, young leaves to come through. We like hawthorn on a night, don't we? I think horses have fell out with us because we were petting them Dalmatians. You ready? You like being on your trike? You've not been on it for a while. Eh? You ready? You'll be sweating in a minute.
You should be
Right.
one bit.
So see, what do you say to everybody who watched? What you been watching? You been watching Sing? Oh, she loves Sing. Animals. Animals will sing.
Looks like horses behind you. Can you listen?
She does, she sings to them and they come across, look. This one's come. Maybe if you did it. Hello. Hello, beautiful. It does, it always comes to you when you're singing, doesn't she?
That one loves me singing, doesn't it?
Yep, that's why she's come over. Can you sing a song to her though? It doesn't always have to be like you heard on the film. Can you remember?
Just singing what's coming from my mind.
Oh, that's brilliant. That's best then when it comes from your mind. Right then. Oh, because just see geese in the background. Actually, I'm going to pause it and see if I can see ducklings in a minute because they were on the field. They will look lovely. We'll see you later if not.